Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. You are welcome to my channel Nasib IT. Friends, today in this video I will show you how to create this mockup easily by using Photoshop. So let's start the video. So friends, first of all we have to set up a page. To do it, we have to click on here. Then we have to select inches from here. Then we have to click on this box. Then we have to type here 6. Then we have to click on this box. Then we have to type here 5. Then we have to select this box. Then I have to type here 300. Then I have to click on the OK. After that, we have to click on the lock icon. Then I have to right click on this layer. Then I have to click on the blending option. Then I have to click on the gradient overlay. Then I have to click on here. Then I have to select radial from here. Then I have to click on here. Then I have to scroll down from here. Then I have to click on the grace. Then I have to select this color. Then I have to click on the OK. Now I have to select this layer again. Then I have to click on the lock icon. Now I have to press this home icon. Then I have to click on the create new. Then I have to click on here. Then I have to select inches. Then I have to click on this box. Then I have to type here 3.5. Then I have to click on this box. Then I have to type here 2. Then I have to click on this box. Then I have to type here 300. Then I have to click on the OK. Now I have to unlock this layer. Then I have to drag and drop this layer in here. Then I have to right click on this layer. Then I have to select convert to a smart object. After that we have to click on here. Then I have to right click on this layer. Then I have to click on the desktop. After that, we have to click on the tick mark. Then I have to press and hold the shift key. Then I have to increase the size of this layer. After that, we have to select this layer. Then I have to double click on here. Then I have to select this layer. Then I have to click on the lock icon. Now we have to open a business card to set in here. So I am opening a business card from my computer. After opening the business card, we have to select all layers from here. Then I have to drag and drop this layer in here. Then I have to zoom out the screen. Then I have to set this business card in here. After set the business card, we have to click on the tick mark. Then I have to press Ctrl+S button from keyboard. Then I have to back to the project. After that, we have to click on here. Then I have to right click on here. Then I have to click on the desktop. Now we have to right click on this layer. Then we have to click on the blending option. Then we have to click on the drop shadow. Then I have to increase the opacity of this. Then I have to decrease the noise. Then I have to increase the distance. Then I have to decrease the opacity. Then I have to increase the size. Decrease the size. Then I have to increase the distance again. I have to increase this decrease the size. Then I have to click on the OK. Now I have to select this layer. Then I have to press and hold the Alt key and take a copy from this layer. Then I have to click on here. Then I have to right click on this layer. Then I have to click on the flip horizontal. Then I have to drag and drop this in here. Then I have to click on the tick mark. Then I have to select this. Then I have to drag and drop this in here. Then I have to click on here. Then I have to right click on this layer. Then I have to click on the blending option. Then I have to unmark the drop shadow. Then I have to click on the outer glow. Then I have to increase the opacity and I have to increase the size. Then I have to click on the OK. Then I have to drag and drop this under this layer. Then I have to right click on this layer again. Then I have to click on the blending option. Then I have to click on the drop shadow. Then I have to decrease the opacity. Then I have to increase the size. Then I have to click on the OK. Now I have to drag and drop this in here. Now I will show you how to set other business card in here. To do it, we have to double click on here. Then we have to open the business card. After open the business card, we have to back to the project. Then we have to select all layers from here. Then we have to click on the backspace. Then I have to select all layers from here. Then I have to drag and drop this layer in here. Then I have to set this business card in here. After set the business card, we have to click on the tick mark. Then I have to press Ctrl+S button from keyboard. Now you can see the final result. Friends, if this video is useful to you, please like and share this video and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.